Yeah. That's why I'm sipping that bourbon. Yeah. Nigga, I'm picking it off like I'm Sherman. I will pull up on these niggas. Yeah. Changing the color like sherbet. Yeah. That's why I'm balling like Herbert. That's why you know, man, I ball like I'm Mercy. Yeah. That's why I ball up in Mercy. Yeah. I shoot like I'm Mercy. You know I'm on fire. I will kill niggas and leave them right in Maguire. I will pull up on these niggas, hit them hard like Maguire. Yeah, or feeling like Sosa. That's right, nigga just selling that coke. That's right, nigga out here sipping soda. That's right, nigga so green like Yoda. I pull up on these niggas. Yeah, leave they brains looking yogurt. I pull up on these niggas. She sucking that too like a Gogurt. I pull up on these niggas. I ball like girly. Yeah, y'all niggas claim you the shit, but I'm about to give you a swirly. Yeah, I jump like it's hurdles. Yeah. You niggas just hurdles, yeah. You niggas little babies. You should eat Gerber. Shout out to Lil Baby. But this is my turn. You already know I'm at your sideburns. I pull up on niggas hot like a perm. Yeah, nigga, where's my money? I feel like worm. I will pull up on these niggas. Yeah, what is the word? No dictionary, but your girl wanna see the dick Pictionary. I pull up on these niggas, put their face right in the obituary. Cemetery, penitentiary, it don't matter cause this shit is scary. I pull up, nigga, like I'm Helen Keller. Y'all niggas Tyler Perry. And y'all niggas really about to act out, but this shit is getting scary. Scary niggas shooting shit, Jason Terry. Pull up, Armageddon. Hit shit, Eric Berry, pull up, nigga, man, I'm February. I'm so cold, man, you niggas can't step up to me like February. I pull up, February, pull up, nigga, man, it's hesitary. And y'all niggas hesitary, I put your ass, nigga, in the cemetery. A pet cemetery ass, nigga, and I put your ass in the sanctuary. That's why, man, I'm so blessed like a sanctuary. Man, you better go and check the motherfucking monetaries. Better go and check your money, nigga, because you already know, man, this shit gets scary. I pull up like Joe Berry, or I shoot the shit like Britt Berry. I'm orthodox, nigga, like Rick Berry. Yeah, she wanna ride like a fairy. Yeah, man, I'm up in the cab, nigga, feeling like Daniel Ferry. I will pull up on these niggas. Yeah, I'm Ashy like Larry, I'm hairy like Harry. I pull up on niggas like Harry and like Mary. Yeah, nigga, I will leave them bloody like Mary. Yeah, yeah, 2 twin choppers. Yeah, Mary. Smoking that J, filled up with Mary. Yeah, yeah, I will leave that nigga body with bullets, nigga on carry. I will pull up on these niggas, ain't shit funny, like I'm Drew Carey. But you know I show up with the mask, Jim Carrey. I pull up on niggas like Aries. Yeah, that's why you know I'm a Gemini. I ain't got time for a motherfucking Aries. That's why you already know, man, I pull up, you know I'm smoking that green like a Perry. I will pull up on these niggas, yeah, I will slice the apple, no pear. I will pull up on these niggas, magic trick, make them disappear. Yeah, man, your girl is a magic trick, I make that bitch disappear. Hold on. Yeah, I don't show no fear. I do not show no fear. I'll pull up on these niggas. All y'all niggas just queers. Nigga, this is my year. Hold on. That's right, nigga. I pull up so high like a good year. Yeah.